Hello and welcome. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Shreya. Let's start the day with the top story. Lionel Messi's event in Kolkata Stadium turned chaotic after fans breached security at the event and vandalized the stadium. The chaos unfolded after fans got upset over Messi's short appearance at the event. The Salt Lake Stadium, the sounds of the boos were heard as fans argued and clashed with the security personnel. Bottles and seats were also thrown at the pitch and the barricades were breached, prompting the cops to resort to lathi charge even if they were outnumbered. Satadru Datta, the main organizer of the event, now has been arrested over the incident. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has expressed shock and formed an inquiry panel to probe details. Mamata has also apologized to the star Lionel Messi and all sports lovers for the incident. The governor has issued directives to the state government asking to refund the ticket money to fans. Meanwhile, the BJP has accused the TMC of failing to make security arrangements, accusing the state ministers of ticket corruption and black marketing. TMC, on the other hand, remains defiant, condemning the violence and promising action, but it even said that the sentiments of the fans must be understood. Let's take a look.
Now we are in the Salt Lake Stadium, which has shown, this is the ground, which has shown terrible annoyed, the public, they were annoyed. And this is the condition of the stadium. The entire stadium has been vandalized like anything. The entire stadium is vandalized like anything. Chairs are broken. Canopy has been, see the condition of the canopy, and the entire huge forces are there now. But the condition is, this is the place from where the bottles started. They started to throw bottles, and after that, this is the condition that actually happened here. And you can see till now, all the broken chairs are there, and this is the bad condition of the canopy out here. Now, what happened, if we explain it from the very first, is this is the area from where Messi entered for. This is the area from where Messi entered, and then he went inside this place. There were a lot of people who were surrounding Messi out here, and there was constantly announcement from, we can see that the police DG of West Bengal, Rajiv Kumar himself is there, and all the senior police officers have come and they have gathered out here. But the big point is, when this incident happened, they were really taken aback, and this is absolutely a vandalism which took place out here. So this is the place from where he entered, and there were constant announcements being made that made that people should go out, but they did not go. And you can see till now you can see that some of the people are there. Chairs are there in this condition. Really a very bad state of situation here in Salt Lake Stadium.
उस टाइम में एक चेयर हम लोग बनाए थे, हम लोग पूरा टीम मिलके, आज वो पूरा तोड़ा फोड़ा जा रहा है. ये हम लोगों का सेंटिमेंट, पूरा फुटबॉल प्रेमी लोगों का सेंटिमेंट तोड़ा जा रहा है आज. सिर्फ और सिर्फ शतद्रु दत्ता और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को भी और सख्ती से पेश आना चाहिए था. प्रॉपर सिक्योरिटी चेकिंग करना चाहिए था, ताकि ये शतद्रु दत्ता ऐसे इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर पाता है कि नहीं, उसके हिसाब से ये परमिशन ग्रांट करना चाहिए था.
देखिए, इतना बड़ा एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर भारत के अलग अलग हिस्से में जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. पश्चिम बंगाल में आज जो घटना घटी वो दर्शाता है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने कैसे पश्चिम बंगाल को बना दिया है. क्योंकि पूरा जो प्रोग्राम है, इसमें शुरू से लेकर अंत तक पश्चिम बंगाल में जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है वो पूरा तृणमूल ने हाईजैक किया है. पैसे की इसमें लूट हुई है. 5,000 8,000 रुपये की टिकट भी बेची गई, उसमें टिकट की भी कालाबाजारी हुआ, इसमें करप्शन हुआ. मतलब तृणमूल कांग्रेस रहेगा और करप्शन नहीं होगा, ये तो हो नहीं सकता. इसमें भी करप्शन हुआ. बोतल जेब होके वो भी तृणमूल के लोग हैं, अरूप विश्वास के लोग बोल रहे हैं लोग कि अरूप विश्वास के लोग हैं. तो पूरा मेसी का मेज बना के रख दिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने और तृणमूल कांग्रेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन.
जो हुआ बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये होना नहीं चाहिए. कुछ लोगों को इरेस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेवियर, अनप्लैंड प्रोग्राम, ऐसे ये हुआ है. लेकिन ये जो पूरा गैलरी फुल था, बड़ा बड़ा डार्बी में भी ऐसा इतना सारे लोग कम होता है. तो ये तो एक प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजर का था, ये तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम नहीं था. और हमारा स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर वहां पर इनवाइटेड थे और कैसे घुमाएगा, क्या करेगा, ये तो वो प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजर का थे। ओपन स्टेज और जीप रहता मार्ट घूमने के लिए तो शायद ऐसा नहीं होता।
Of Salt Lake Stadium. See, absolute anarchy in Salt Lake Stadium. People still are throwing chairs. People still are throwing bottles. People wanted to see Messi, and Messi, when Messi came inside the main playground, at that point of time there were a lot of people along with Messi. Some politicians were there, some influential peoples were there, and also the camera crew and other security crews were there. But the number of people who went inside the main this ground, they were more than the people who had spent so much of money. They could not see Messi, and that was their problem. But they became angry. First they started sloganing. You can see, I can show you. You can see that all these chairs are thrown, steel chairs are thrown. People are breaking. Right now, as you can see, angry mob. They are trying to break different parts of Salt Lake Stadium. This is unprecedented. You can see police is trying to control the situation. Police is trying to do the lathi charge, but absolute security breach. The people became absolutely unruly out here, and they have taken over the Maidan. This is something very, very, very embarrassing. This is something unprecedented, and the emotions of the people were there, but the security breach is something which is absolutely uncalled for. The entire stadium is now almost vacant, and it's absolutely mess out here. The police is trying to control the situation, but the situation, you can see, it's absolutely something weird which has taken place. Unprecedented situation. People wanted to see Messi, they could not see Messi.
Right, and
So
Kamalka,
again,
this
I would like
right.
to
Go
show
ahead.
you that this is the situation. See how different parts of different areas of Salt Lake Stadium, people are totally vandalizing different things of the stadium. Also, you can see that the chair and you can see the condition of the chairs, the main area from where the players come out. Entire rampage in Salt Lake Stadium. That's very much clear from this scene. Very much clear from this scene. This is something very, very embarrassing. And you can see till now the crowd, they are creating a problem. They have come out there. Only I'll try to show that in various places police is doing the lathi, trying to take control of the situation. But the fans, they are saying that they bought in tickets with so much of money, but they could not actually see a glimpse of properly Messi. And that is the reason for which absolute security breach, that is something which is very, very, very concerning.
Now, it was a superb night in Hyderabad for football fans as they got to witness the Argentine icon Lionel Messi on Saturday. After massive chaos erupted in the Kolkata Stadium earlier in the day, the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium presented a contrasting picture. Messi entered amid tight security with fans cheering for him in huge numbers. What added to their joy was the fact that the legend himself played football and even kicked some balls into the crowd. Telangana Chief Minister Revnath Reddy and Rahul Gandhi were also present at the venue.